Hello, this is a video tour of 3671 23rd Street. It's located in a wonderful location, walking distance to many wonderful conveniences, shops, and restaurants. Okay, so let's enter the building here, 3671. You walk up the stairs and the entrance to this unit is to the right. This is a 2-bedroom flat. To the left is a kitchen. We're going to start this tour off towards the front of the building, where you'll find one good-sized bedroom, lots of windows, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This unit has been freshly painted, and here is the closet, and this goes all the way back. Nice big walk-in closet. Here's a peek out the window here. These are double pane windows, so it is very quiet. Walking down the hall just a little bit is the second bedroom. This one's a little bit smaller. And it has a good-sized closet with sliding doors. And this is what you see out the window. And you have a double bar. Okay. Here's your full bathroom. You have a bathtub and shower combination. There's your toilet, lots of natural light, lots of storage space. And there you go. Okay, living room. The living room is somewhat open to the kitchen that's been recently renovated. You have stone counters, dishwasher, gas range, refrigerator, stainless sink, we're going to take you downstairs where you will find private laundry machines in a shared space and bike storage. Okay, under the stairs here are where you can store bicycles. Through this door are the laundry machines. This first set here, right as you walk in, belongs to the unit. And through these doors is the entrance to the garage, and these empty shelving is for you. Okay, that concludes our tour. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to our website, rentalsnsf.com, for additional photos, availability, and pricing on this wonderful space. Thanks so much, and have a great day.